Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just having a walk along the beach on low tide, just to, this is the beach at low tide, so I'm just having a walk along here. So I might just film it. I'll cast out and just doing some fishing. Just fishing on here, so this is what the beach looks like at low tide. I'm just having a bit of a walk around because I keep getting bloody snagged all the time. I don't know why. But yeah, I just thought just have a walk along the beach here, just show you what it's like along here. Big tides here, there's like 3 metre tides or so. But yeah, it's pretty good. Hopefully the sound's coming out of the right. I'm just using my phone. I haven't got the microphone on at the moment. I'm just having a walk around. But yeah. Last day today. We're heading home tomorrow. We've been here for a week. It's been pretty good. Pretty relaxing. Yeah. So just having a walk around. It's like someone's had some crab and that there. Oh. Take a photo. That's really good, this bloody Neo drones, they're looking fantastic over doing this sort of stuff. Just having a walk around. There are heaps of crabs. I don't know whether they're crabs that people have caught and stuff, but yeah, pretty good. So just have a bit of a walk along here, now I'll turn around and go back up. And then just have a little bit of fishing. I just set the drone up. So that's just following me along. It's just following me. Just some people are looking at the drone. Alright, let's see if I can turn around. See if this thing doesn't lose me again. How you going, guys? I'll just walk it backwards. That's one thing with this drone is I can't get it to follow me in front. Which I think with the Neo 2, I think you can actually do that. But this one just follows from behind. Can't really change it. Anyway, that's still pretty good. So I'll walk along here. It's a pretty nice day again today. Still a few clouds around, but a few blue skies, so nice and sunny. I was going to walk back up the end here and then we'll stop this and then we'll have a couple of casts, do a bit of fishing. Yeah. It's the first time I've actually had the drone out and used it outside and stuff like this. First time on holidays. I've always just had the drone and just took it outside. This is the first time I've used it in public. So hopefully we don't get any complaints. But yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, get a lot of curious people asking about the drone and stuff. It's mainly just a lot of the oldies. Alright, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to set up, put some bait on, just have a bit of a cast, and I'll might just put the drone back on just in spot mode, and go from there. Alright guys, I'm going to call it quits here, and I'll turn it back on and just have it in spot mode and just do bit of catching and stuff. See you later. Yeah guys, I'm just in spotlight view now, so hopefully the drone will just hover there for a little while. And I'm gonna have a few casts, see if I can catch any fish. I'm gonna put the thing down, so you might not get much voice from this. The voice. Keep on the. Yes. Then. Oh. There we go. Gotta keep an eye on the battery there. Still sits flat. Fish. A little fish. A little thing. Ah. Got a fish on camera. Actually got a fish on camera. That was pretty good. Alright, try again. I'll keep it on. It's lost me a bit then. So, yeah, so actually caught a load of little tiny flounder, little tiny thing. Just jumped on there. So that was pretty good. Caught it on camera as well. Yeah. Nice guy. I'm just keeping an eye on the battery. Alright guys, battery's getting pretty low now. So I'm just going to turn this off and carry on doing some fishing for a couple of hours. Hopefully I'll get a couple more fish. That was pretty fluky. I just got that little flounder just straight up, first cast. So hopefully there's a few more fish in here. Alright guys, I got to turn this off now. Battery's getting pretty low. And I'll catch this later.